Hello, I'm going to show you how I arrange my schedule with my candidate teachers. I use Google Calendar to create my schedule, and that schedule connects with my Outlook calendar. Go to Google Calendar on your LAUSD Google account. You will need to create a separate calendar for your candidate teacher's schedule. Go to the gear in the upper right corner. Click on Settings. You will now see the general setting for all of your calendars and below specific settings for your individual calendars. Click on the arrow and then click on to create a new calendar. Type in a name for your calendar. I call mine Zoom Sign-Up Schedule. I will type in for this demo Zoom Schedule. You do not need to complete the other fields unless you want to complete them. Click on Create Calendar. You will see a small pop-up below indicating your calendar has been created. Click on Configure. You can choose to make this calendar available to the public. I am ready to begin creating the appointment slots for my candidate teachers to select for their Zoom meetings. Click on the arrow next to Settings to go back to your calendars. You should see a list of your calendars. The calendars with a check are active. I am going to move to the week of August 17th. I'm going to start my scheduling at 8 a.m. on Monday. Of course, you can select an earlier or later time. Make a single click. A pop-up window appears for appointments. You do not need to type a title. I now click on the appointment slots link. You can expand the time slot by using this drop-down or by moving this time slot on the calendar. I set the time slots for 60 minutes. This means that when a candidate teacher selects this time slot, they have a 60-minute reserved time. Now, select more options so that you can repeat this appointment slot over days and weeks ahead. On this drop-down menu, I select Custom. Select Monday through Friday. Click On. Now you can select how long these time slots will repeat. I am ambitious, so I select June 18th. Click Done. Now click Save. To share this calendar with your CTs, click on the first date. A pop-up menu appears and you can see Go to Appointment page for this calendar. Click on that link. What you are seeing is the appointment calendar your candidate teachers will see. The CT will click on a time slot and a pop-up will appear. Your candidate teacher can change the name of the appointment. However, because they are logged into their own Google account, their name will appear on your calendar. The CT will click Save, and now the appointment has been saved. Other candidate teachers will not see that time slot as available. To share this calendar with your candidate teachers, copy the link for the appointment calendar. It should have the blank time slots visible. Paste the link to whatever method you use to communicate with your CTs. I ask my CTs to bookmark the link. The same link will work for all future appointments. What I see on my calendar is the CT's name for that time slot. I have a second short video for you to configure your Google account calendar so that your CT's appointment will also appear on your Outlook calendar.